Good morning, friends and family. I'm just a little dog sitting here driving in a little truck. Just waiting to see what will happen. Wait. Okay, something's going on. I don't know what's gonna be. I think we're gonna stop. Wait for it. I wonder if we're gonna stop. I know we're gonna stop soon. Wait for it. It's coming. Wait for it. I see something. There it is. It's coming. Oh. Wait, not yet. Hold on. Just a minute. Gotta wait for it. There it is. There it is. We're stopping. Yay.